Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi, I'm 𝐒𝐻𝐿𝐵 and few of y'all asked me on the strategy of how I cleared FAR and REG. So here you go. I'm gonna keep this real crisp. I have noted down a few points. First, the path I have followed for my studies is going through lectures, skill practice, MCQs. I used to do it for the entire chapter, and then I used to move on the next chapter. When I finished all the chapters for FAR and REG, then I used to revise and then complete the simulation. That way simulation would help me to really understand deeply if I've missed anything. When I used to go through the lectures, I used to make sure either I underline the stuff or I would take out the notes, either or. So I would make sure if you're reading like 10 pages, I would make out my notes would approximately be 1 page, not more than that, or 1.5. So approximately 15% would the max I would recommend taking out notes. That way before the exam, like the last week of the examinations, you can just go on and on through your notes and make sure you know all the concepts. Having a crisp summary really helps. That's what I would suggest. Then again, I cannot stress more importance of doing multiple choice questions. So I used to do randomly, I used to take unlimited practice tests of 30 to 40 question answers, and it would really help me to know my weak areas. I did only one mock test before my examinations. I would suggest if you have time, you can just complete all the 3 of them. And again, see your weak areas. Once you give a mock test, you will understand your weak points, so you can stress upon your weak areas. Moving forward to FAR, I would say focus on logic and journal entries. They really help. Everything is based on journal entries, so make sure you know the basics. Again, what comes for one examination in CPA, you cannot really guess what is going to come to another. So I would say master everything. Make sure certain areas like in non-profit organizations and government accounting, you make sure that you know all the theory part well. So make sure you can attempt as many as MCQs through your Becker software for NFP or government. Then research simulations. You have at least one simulation in your examination, all of your examinations like FAR or REG. So make sure you know how to solve them. They're pretty easy. I would say they're your scoring points. So make sure you practice them. Then focus on basic simulation part like leases, bonds, cash flow, consolidation, revenue recognition, cash to accrual. These are the basic areas you should be knowing well. Use of Excel, yeah, this is very, very important. So especially for my FAR exam, Excel helped me a lot. For example, for consolidation and stuff, I used to just copy paste the entire problem in the Excel sheet and then do the math. So there are really very good videos telling you how to use Excel. So for some of the consolidation problems in Becker, they have shown you how to use Excel. In the simulation parts, there are quite a few videos which explain you how to, strategies on how to solve the simulation in lesser time. So time management is the key, especially for FAR. It's quite lengthy subject, so time management would be key. You have to keep an eye on how much time you're using on MCQs. That way you don't spend up using your simulation times on MCQs. I had this book, at least know this. It was a crisp summary book. So before a day or two, I would just go through that book to make sure I know all the concepts. Yeah, so here I am, 2 down, 2 more to go. I have done with FAR and REG so far. And I would certainly take this opportunity to thank Becker nonetheless and Shripal and team Simandhar Education. They really helped me a lot. I remember just randomly shooting out mails with all the inquiries, with all the doubts I had. They made sure that I had my evaluation done through them. I mean, they helped me out finding out the eligibility for the states, which was quite complicated for me because I was relatively new to this field. And yeah, in general academics as well, they helped me. I used to mail them and they used to get back to me. So I would really thank Shripal and team, Simandhar Education and Becker. Thank you guys.